Next question. So is it a problem when one becomes disturbed or anguished with the Jewish people around them, with the Jewish people around them are disregarding the Torah and HaShem by breaching tznius, lashon hara, and other things? Should we create a non-friendly approach? How should we form our relationship with those around us if generally they are mitzvah observant and self-proclaimed Frum, but is affected by a deterioration of Hashkafa? Mm-hmm. For example, having friends with wigs.
I mean, I would not recommend that direct approach, right? Because as the person said, they think of themselves that they're Frum, and you see when you live in this environment and everybody is around you like that, so they would not see anything wrong, right? And if you try to approach, and if you try to get into conversation, and meaning maybe they invite them to your house to go to their house, it's going to be disaster. So it's better like hit and run, basically. Give them information and just disappear. So to keep it like that. So that's from experience, right? And plus, even though you want to help them very much, we also care about ourselves, not to get ruined, right?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. So we give them information and that's it. So maybe from time to time, whatever they send us, we just delete it, continue send them. That's what I do. Somebody sent me like this text. Some people. So if when you go, for example, on WhatsApp, so and under the conversation would be this last not nasty, but whatever this not nasty. Nobody's nasty, but some message that I don't want to see every time. So what I do, I just delete it. So from me, so that person, as he or she concerned, the message is there, but I see only the messages that were before that. Understand? But still, we can communicate, right? I can try to help that person, but I don't care whatever they send me, right? So it's with the stubborn people, right? So the same here. Just send them information, but don't engage yourself, basically. Most likely, I mean, if they open, yeah. If they ask you for more information, yes. But to direct go to someone and try to talk to them, most likely it's not going to work.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
A friend asks, how can this apply to co-workers in the similar situation where you have to get close?
I didn't get the end of the sentence. Workers in a similar situation when you have to do what?
When you have to get close. That's what it said. To get closer, I would assume. I don't know.
Oh, well, workers.
To get close to them. Yes.
To get close to them, like workers are not sneers. I mean, it's better, as I said, to keep the distance from people like that. But you can say like something like I saw something interesting. It's actually we learned in the class. I'd like to share with you. But then at the same time, we're going to publish clip very soon, right? I think I said it before. Maybe we even learned it from Michtav Meliyahu. So it's from Tehillim 1:1. So it's David Hamelach said, don't associate. So he said, praiseworthy the person who did not walk in the counsel of the wicked people, who did not stand and who did not sit. You understand? So even the wicked, they say, no problem. Okay, you're such a valuable person. Thank you very much for trying to bring us close. Please come on this day, and then we're going to sit together. And guess what? It's going to be you, little you. I'm not talking. I'm general, little me, and 20 people who do not care. Guess what? It's going to be disaster, right? So it's better to give them information and see what happens. So it's better when person like would not feel pressure from me personally, but from from the video or right that I send them. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
It's yeah, you're very welcome. It's very important not to get in this situation. So that's how it's a hara works. They're just trying to get you in, and guess what? To cool you down. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.